What's going on, everybody? Shane here to show you something I hope you'll find quite cool. So what I have here is my Google Pixel 3, and it is not the XL version, as I've said many times in previous videos, because I hate that notch. So I went with the smaller standard Pixel 3. Now this is a solid device from all accounts. I do have a couple of issues with it, namely the chin, forehead, and this god-awful navigation thing you can't turn off or put back to the old way. So I have a solution for you, which will do two things. One, it will get rid of that. It will give you more screen real estate, thereby lessening the effect of the chin and the forehead. How do you do this? I hear you all saying. Well, I will tell you. What you will do is you will go to the Google Store, the Google Play Store, and you will search for OnePlusGestures. And you will download OnePlusGestures. Okay. When you open it up, you can set all sorts of fun gestures. Cool. Swipe up different spots to do different things. I hear you thinking, wow, that's great, but there's still this stupid nav bar down there. You just have more stuff down there now, right? Right. So what you do, on your home screen, there's an option that says Hide Navigation Bar. Okay. So you're going to click on that. And see where it says PC Instructions? That's where you're going to want to go. Unless you're rooted. If you're rooted, just click Use Root. You don't even need this video, because if you're rooted, you don't need this. So go on from there. So what you're going to do then, you're going to jump over to your web browser. And you're going to go to this link, which I'm going to put in the description below. You're going to click on the appropriate SDK for you, right? And then you're going to go extract it, whatever. I have it set up in a folder here at the root of my C. Yours is going to look a little bit different than mine. Don't worry about it. I've cleaned things up. This is all you need, though. As long as you see ADB there, you're all good. Extract it. Go to where you can see ADB. That's where you're going to want to be. All right. Now you're going to go back to your phone. Now you're going to go into your settings. Scroll down to System. Click About Phone. Scroll down to Build Number. And click that a whole bunch of times. It's going to say you're going to be a developer soon. Keep clicking it. Go back. Go back one step. You should now see developer options, which you will now click. You will scroll down to USB debugging, and you want to have that enabled. Cool. We're moving right along. Back on your browser, go to this website. Again, I'll have it in the comments below. Download, install. This will give you your drivers for what we're about to do for your phone. Okay. So now go to the place where you have ADB. Hold Shift and right click, and you're either going to see Open PowerShell or Open CMD command prompt. It depends on how your computer wants to act. Click on that, and you're going to get this. Plug your lovely Pixel 3 or whatever device, honestly, it doesn't matter, into your computer. Click. You can type in ADB devices. If you see something there, then this is going correctly. Theoretically, when you type this in, you're going to get a pop-up on your phone that asks if you want to allow what's happening to happen. You can click yes. You can even tick a box that says stop asking me. Cool, cool, cool. Then you're going to paste this command, which I have in the comments below, and you're going to hit enter. It's going to just do that. You're going to think nothing's happened. You're going to think, oh, nothing happened. What's going on? You will then go back to your phone, and it should tell you permission has been granted and that you are good to go. So now that will allow you to hide your navigation bar. And you can go through and set it up however you want. I've got mine set up quite nicely for a swipe up from the bottom to take you home. Swipe up and hold to go to your multitasking. I have swipe left side, go back, and right to switch between recent apps. I just think that works best for me. Customize it however you want. You can customize swipes along this axis, up and hold, taps, whatever you want to do. But the bottom line is, now your screen is about that much bigger down there on the bottom because you don't have that big old ugly piece of crap navigation bar that Google decided to saddle us with. You have these nice gestures copied from the OnePlus devices and customized to your liking. So if this was helpful to you, if this all worked for you, please comment below. Tell me what you think. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.